Euro USD weekly time frame and price is testing this previous resistance level. So until weekly candle close above this resistance zone, there is no big buying opportunity. Before that, we need clear breakout so that we can buy again. And once weekly candle fill this resistance zone, the next target will be upper resistance 1.1186. Then again upper resistance 14,950. But next year 2023 dollar will be varies and more things are confirmed after Bank of Japan say they will hike interest rate in future. So before this breakout you can get a short term selling opportunity because this bullish trend can retrace before breaking this resistance zone, and if that happen big retracement come, then we will buy on retracement level like 382 or 618. Because if you see on daily time frame, price rejecting this resistance zone with multiple daily candle, so wait for clear breakout. And from this top to this bottom, when Euro USD was coming down on Fed QT monetary policy, their aggressive rate hike cycle, this complete bearish trend has retraced 38%. So after breakout, next target will be 50, then 61% retracement level. So wait for clear breakout both on weekly and daily time frame, and first upside target, that will be your first resistance. And if we see H4 time frame, then first wave W, then correction X. Right now we are in wave Y, and subwave of wave Y we can say 1 2 3 4, and this is your fifth wave. And this looks like ending diagram chart pattern, and it has been completed, and lower trend line also broken. So once downside correction start from this top to bottom, first target always 38% retracement level, but for a good buying opportunity you should wait up to 50% retracement level. Then on this retracement level you can buy again, and then you can write next impulsive wave before breakout. And if we see H4 time frame of GBPUSD, then this chart pattern which looks like a ending diagonal, but it is overextended. So lower trend line has broken and now it is coming down. So from this bottom to top, wait for retracement, then after 50 or 61% retracement we will buy again. But these two things, Euro USD and GBP should make retracement bottom at the same time. And if we see daily time frame of GBP then from this top to bottom trend has retraced 50%, and now it is coming down. After retracement, when new impulsive wave will come, target will be 61% retracement level, and these two level were our horizontal resistance, and price found resistance in the middle, neither upper or lower level but in the middle. So from this top, correction has been started, and this chart pattern was mentioned in last video, and this make double top before coming down. So this pair give you clear signal. And if we see AUDUSD, then we can call it A, then correction wave B, and this is your wave C, which has made ending diagonal chart pattern 1 2 3, and which was like 61% projection for wave C. And two step of this pattern, retesting upper trend line, then breaking and retesting lower trend line, both are done And for buying opportunity, wait for at least 50% trace. Then after 50% tracement, if price make hammer on this level, then you can buy, and hammer can be on 50 or 61% retracement level. Or if it does not retrace 50 or 60, then wait for clear breakout of this high. Then after breakout we will buy again as a retest. But this correction has been started in Euro, USD, GBPUSD and Australian dollar too. And if we see USDCAD daily time frame, then this was top. It first came down and retraced 61, and now it is making strong rejection on 61% retracement level. And once it's come down and make new low, since you can call it A, B, C, that is next impulsive wave, so price action will be aggressive. And if we see H4 time frame of USD CAD, then from this top to bottom, this 61% retracement level, and it is testing this level again and again on H4 as a resistance. And this is your lower trend line, and this is your fourth retest of this trend line. So wait for breakout. If you have missed selling opportunity on retracement level, then after it comes to downside, then you can sell retest. That will be second selling opportunity, but target will be new lower low. And if we see USDCHF daily time frame, zone has been broken, and this trend line too, both at the same time. Now it is going up. Then now we have entry as a retest of this yellow trend line and this resistance zone. So in this resistance zone, upper level or lower level, you can get a selling opportunity. And once this sideways correction end, then on retest of this trend line, you can sell. And if we see dollar index weekly time frame in last, then this was top of dollar. It came down, very aggressive bearish price action, and now price is testing this 103 horizontal support level. So once this level breaks, the first target will be 50% retracement, 101, then 90. After breakout, it can go back to this horizontal resistance level as a correction. Then we will sell again and will target 61% level, because rate cut will happen in 2023 in fourth quarter, but speculation always start many months in advance. So that is bearish for dollar, and rate hike from Bank of Japan is also bearish for dollar, because first they were selling dollar and now they are making monetary policy. So next year 2023 is bearish for dollar. So correction can come after breakout or before breakout, but right now price is testing this horizontal support level.